Let us solve my question number 4. Question 4 says, if the length of a rectangle is increased by 25, length increases by 25, 1 by 4, width decreases by 20, width I will call it as breadth, decreases by 20, 1 by 5, then the area of rectangle is what change? Now see here, same logic. Initial is always denominator, right? So only thing that you should do is multiply these two, 4 and 5 every time. 4 into 5 is 20. In final area, from 4 there is an increase of 1, it becomes 5. From 5 there is a decrease of 1, it becomes 4. Final area is also 20. Initially 20, finally also 20. Area remains unchanged. How beautiful, sir. How fast. Did I take it as method 1 by saying it as 100? Did I take it as method 2 by taking it as successive percentage? No. I did not solve by 2 methods. I solved by method 3, which is my percentage change. Suppose teach me, sir, can I solve it by successive percent? Yes, definitely, why not? But you should by heart a formula beta. Do you really require it? I don't think so. I really don't think so that you should by heart it. Length increases by 25, breadth increases by 20. That means it is A plus B. 25 plus B is minus 20 plus A into B. 25 into minus 20 divided by 100 percentage. This entire thing is 100 percentage. 25 minus 20 is 5. 25 into 1, 25 into 4. 4 into 1, 4 into 5. Plus into minus 5 is minus 5. 5 minus 5 percentage is 0 percentage. 0 percentage means it remains unchanged. Instead of doing all these things by method 2, how beautifully your method 1 in this example will teach you, sir. I hope you should understand the difference in solving. Textbook methodology is method 2 in this question, which every textbook or every institute will teach. What ANC teaches in this kind of problems is method 1 in this question, which will be very easy by using this methodology called as percentage change. Sir, can you please teach one or two more problems? There are so many questions, beta. Do not worry. I will keep taking similar kind of questions. SSC CGL Tier 1 exam 2010. SSC CGL Prelims exam 2004. Same question was asked. Forget about successive percentage method. Forget about taking it as 100 and solving. Let us solve it in the most easiest way possible. See here. Length of a rectangle is decreased by 10%. 10% means 1 by 10. Breadth is increased by 10%. Again 10% means 1 by 10. Over. Kel katam dukan band. Initial area is denominator product, length into length, because denominator is nothing but initial value, 100. Final area is 10 is decreased by 1, it is 9. 10 is increased by 1, it is 11. 9 into 11 is 99. That means, can I say that initially it is 100. 100 is becoming 99. There is a decrease of 1. 1 by 100 is 1% decrease. Answer is option B. It is so simple. I will make it so simple. No need to worry about successive percentage. No need to worry about taking it as some value 100 and making it complicated. See the next question, sir. This is the beauty. This is why you should listen to ANC channels. SSC CGL Prelim 2004 question. How beautiful. How beautiful and how easily this can be solved. The percentage increase in the area of the rectangle is how much? If each of its side is increased by 20%. Area of rectangle is the length into breadth. First side is increased by 20%, 1 by 5. Second side is increased by 20%, 1 by 5. Initial area is nothing but 5 into 5. It is 25. Final area is, from 5 there is an increase of 1, 6. From 5 there is an increase of 1, 6. 6 into 6 is 36. Initially it is 25. 25 is becoming 36. There is an increase of 11. But if I want to express in terms of percentage, denominator should be 100. But as of now, denominator is 25. Multiply by 4 to make it 100. Numerator also multiply by 4. 11 into 4 is 44 by 100. 44%. How beautifully it can be solved. Every person who is watching the video should understand the importance of this method, whatever we are solving. I will show you one more example. Do not worry, 28 or 27 questions are there which will teach you this logic and make you this concept the most beautiful and easiest concept. See the next question. If the circumference of a circle is reduced by 50%, I already told you that circumference is equal to 2 pi r. That means circumference is directly proportional to radius. If the circumference is decreased by 50%, it means the radius is decreased by 50%. Both are absolutely same, right? Both are absolutely same. Your question is, area will be reduced by how much percent? Area is pi r square. Forget about that pi. R square is r into r. Radius is reduced by 1 by 2. This radius is also reduced by 1 by 2. Initial area is 2 into 2, 4. Final area, from 2 there is a decrease of 1, it becomes 1. From 2 there is a decrease of 1, it becomes 1. What is 1 into 1? 1. That means initial area is 4, final area is 1. Percentage increases. Initially it was 4. Write down 4. 4 is becoming 1. That means there is a decrease of 3. There is a decrease of how much? 3. 3 by 4 is nothing but 75%. Decrease is nothing but reduction. That means there is a reduction in area by 75%. Who asked you to do all those hangamas of textbooks, sir? Did anyone say you? If you are using that method, you are killing yourself. You are killing yourself if you are using the textbook method. Let the circumference be 50%. Radius also 50. Okay, both are same in my method also. Let us say old radius as capital R, new radius as small r, something like that. Old area is pi into capital R square. New radius is pi into small r square. And you will find the value of capital R and small r. Substitute and waste your time. And then finally arrive at the answer. Are you interested in that method? If you are interested, please quit this particular video right now itself, because I have so many excellent examination questions coming forward in this topic, and I will damn sure make my students solve it in the most easiest way possible, sir.